if ain't nobody making nothing or coming out with nothing, it's like something that everybody else ain't doing. You know what I'm saying? They don't be catching my attention for real.
That's a
Mm-hmm.
bit bar fire in the hole. Let's go. Yes, sir. We the best.
Fire in the hole, we the best bars.
Yeah, man. They been chilling like mug, man. Trying to keep it popping. You already know.
Hey, I'm finna start doing gun reviews. I ain't gonna lie, I'm trying to wait a little bit longer, but I'm finna
Man, say, don't talk
start
about
doing
it.
it.
Shit, get it popping. Don't talk about it. Get it popping.
Oh yeah, you already know, man.
Yeah, man. I got your back. Shit, I check them out. You already know. We
Hey,
show look
hey,
like a 24.
hey, everybody stuff I be watching on they lives, you be the first motherfucker in they live I be saying. I'm like, damn, I'm fuck with them too.
I told you, say, I be trying to tell people you got to put that notification on. Once I got it on, shoot, boom, I see them. Hey, I'm going to show love. Bars. For real, I try to tell you, man. Say, I'm going to get in there and say, shoot my shot. Hey, peace out.
Yeah.
You know, I beat the black and bam, I'm gone. Get on my
You
own
know,
shit.
hey, you already know we gotta pop out with the rocks out to rock out, you hear?
Okay? Let's go. You already know. 5-7 gang. Let's go.
Yeah,
We got the 5-7 gang. Get in. You ain't
you
playing no
already.
game. Get in.
Hey, we got
We
all
ain't
type
playing
of.
no game.
Hey, I
We keep
gotta get
some
them.
on deck. You hear me?
I
We
gotta get
always
them
keep
black
some.
tips. I gotta get them
Yeah,
black tips.
I saw those, bro. I saw those.
Nah, I'm talking about the
Hey, but
ones
no,
you
I saw the
got.
other ones.
You
No,
already
you talking
got
about
them.
those. Oh, you
You
talking about the
already
ones I already
got them.
got. But now, say, the other ones I seen, man, say, man, that one look bad, bro. Matter of fact, I'm gonna have to post it on my shit. I'm gonna shot to show you, bro. These
But
some
they
more
got the
5-7. The
You
black,
talking
they
about
look like,
the ones with the point on the tip and they circular
yeah, it's like a
and they
little, ooh, yeah,
yeah
like a tomahawk.
yeah.
Boy,
I
I
know what
said,
you talking
ooh, them
about.
hoes are nice. I think
I,
them go through, I think they'll go through the bulletproof vest type shit.
hey, the Winchester, not the Winchester, the damn the red box of the FN 57, the green tips, them the ones, boy, that's deadly.
That's them bad bitch. That's them bad boys.
Hey, them green tips is
Yeah.
deadly, bro. You can't even damn near find them nowhere. It's a couple of
I
websites
know.
though
See,
that'll
that's why I
send
be
them.
trying to get. I gotta give me some more. You know, I keep my black tips on deck, but I got the others I want to get too. But them black ones, I was like, ooh, them hoe look nice.
Yeah, them
They're like
black
some
ones.
Rambo. They're like some Rambo tips.
Man, them black ones is everybody go to. I be seeing a lot of people with like, yeah, these the best ones. These
Yeah,
what
you
I
already
use.
know. We stay on deck.
Yes,
Bars.
sir. Hey,
You know what I'm saying?
you seen the Hornady critical defense joints, the red tips.
For 5-7.
Yeah, Hornady got them now.
Oh man, I gotta check them out. What?
I ain't gonna lie, I've been watching the ballistics and stuff on them, bro. The ballistics looking pretty good. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Oh man, say. You said what? Hornet? Man, I
They
know that.
making
Hey,
noise.
you better get them while you can, cause you already know they're gonna go up higher than the mother one.
Hey, people be complaining about how the bullets is. It don't even be mattering. If your gun hungry, you
You
gotta
got
feed
50
it,
of them
man.
anyway, so you know what I'm talking about for real. So you
Yeah,
better get them while
yeah.
you can. Hey, yeah, I've been trying to stack up on everything anyway, for real, man. I'm like, what? Yes, sir. That's what's up, man. Yeah, man. Keep it popping, man. We the best.
Damn, man, what you was over there cooking some damn hamburgers, man, that had some shrimp in them.
Yeah, my
Yeah, you the first person I seen do some shit like that.
Yeah, man, shit, hell yeah, man. I'm telling you, I'm coming up, man. Yeah, I'm gonna keep my little live going and shit with my cooking live, man. Yeah, I'm gonna just post all my shit, but damn, I got so many, so now I just made it like a commercial shit. You dig?
You sure got a whole bunch of shit. I'm gonna start getting on that shit. I really don't be on that YouTube shit for real though. I ain't gonna lie. Like I just like watching people, like watching motherfuckers talking about guns and shit and giving my opinions and shit on them and shit
Yeah,
like that.
already.
Because I ain't the
I'm
it's
not a gun guy neither.
hey
You know, I
it's
ain't no
a
gun expert. I just
it's
study
a
what I get.
and while I'm on here online, I gotta give a shout out to Tally, AOR, uh uh
Already. Pop
damn
out.
Taurus gang.